Hello everybody, how's everybody doing today or night? So in this video, I'm going to explain on how to turn on your DD Sports e-bike with a key. And in the next video, it's going to be with the remote. So I have the keys right here in my hands. I am going to show you guys in a few seconds. And before I get started, I ended my other video clip, but I came back on and decided to show you guys what the key looks like, so you know what key to put in. It's this little curved key. So it's curved and it goes into the bike. And here's the brand down here. It's DD Sports. It's a sports bike evidently, but now for the quick question on how to put it in. If my hand coordination will work, here's the slot down here. It's just like a car, it goes into there, and all you do is twist right, and then to turn it back off, you twist left. I'll do it one more time, but you have to line the sharp edges to the right, not to the left. The sharp goes to the right, the smooth goes to the left, and then you twist right to turn it on and twist left to turn it off. So if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell, comment, share more if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.